What is good, y'all? Welcome back to another banger ass video, man. Before the video gets started, man, first and foremost, go check out the Crypto Boys, man. I'm gonna have a website link and a Twitter first thing in the description, man, because you know why? I hear Hellcat. Ooh, that's a nice Hellcat, man. But they are doing ETH prizes and giveaways, and they're also, the most important thing to me, they're also giving back to charities. It's the first 1,500 plus gas fees. They have 10,000 plus dope ass artwork, and they're also dope people. So go check them out. Tell them I sent you. And now let's get this workout started.
If you ain't really with me, nigga, say that. If she fronted on me, then she could stay back. I'm Zariga in the end and we don't play that. Surf tatted on my head and I'ma stay there. I'm tryna put my mama in the Maybach. I'ma shit on every place I used to slave at. Got me out here really looking for some payback. Got me out here really looking for the payback. Every song's free away, cause that nigga paid the way. Niggas mimicking the city I was raised. All along without no homage getting paid. I mix the fruity pebbles with the hint though. Still up on that block but also indoor. Ever since I got it popping like a pimple. Everybody tryna be a nigga friend, no. Circle tighter than the lifestyle. Family question in my lifestyle. Think my head is swelling cause I'm iced out. Ask me how I sleep, said what the lights off. Ask me how I sleep, said with the lights off. Tryna get in a position, can't take nights off. I can shower shit and sleep, won't take the ice off. Constant reminder just to never set my sights off. If you ain't really with me, nigga, say that. If she fronted on me, then she could stay back. I'm Zariga in the end and we don't play that. Surf tatted on my head and I'ma stay there. I'm tryna put my mama in the Maybach. I'ma shit on every place I used to slave at. Got me out here really looking for some payback.
Alright, y'all, man. I am at the gym. I literally only park in the front row. So I literally sit here and wait for front row park, because I'd be damned to park with all the regular pedestrians all over. I'm not doing that. I will sit and wait 20 minutes, but have to park somewhere in front, man, because when I work out, I like looking at my car for motivation, and just because I just like always park in the front row. See, so like that car is in the front right there, he's leaving, but that's a little like too far from the entrance right here. So I'll leave that to somebody else. I gotta piss like I might just have to park over here because I'm like, man, I gotta pee. Yeah, right here. I appreciate it. And just like that, got parking. Back this up. So actually, I'm gonna sit right here because I forgot I have this side camera where I can see for the people like behind me. Well, y'all, guess where I'm at? Front row damn parking. You feel me? Well worth the wait. Well worth the wait. Waited about 15 minutes, but it's well worth the wait. So now I'm officially just sitting here waiting for the homie to pull up so I can go inside, man. All right.
First set of the day.
It's light. There's one plate that's light. That's
It's light.
You got it.
It's easy work.
15 times. You got it. It was 20.
I'm 20.
Alright, I'll try to do 20.
You got it?
Yeah. Yeah, I was doing that yesterday, just outside, I was just playing with it.
Number one play 2 weeks ago.
Was like, hey nigga, hold on now.
I like that one.
I'll do 22.
Sometimes you need 2 warms up, sometimes you need 1. Depending on how the day is.
Yeah, last week I did 2. Right. Is that 15, 20? 20. Oh, he doing 20. Yeah. Wait. Yo, that arm will flip up. It's life. You got it. First of all, y'all, niggas be yelling in the gym for no reason. Thumbnail right here.
Get 10.
Get into the money. Are you good? Number 2. Number 2, I think, or 4 or 5 for goddamn chest. Get to it. Easy. Oh man. Gotta get some games, man. Easy money. Easy money. Yeah.
Gains.
How many was that?
20.
I can't get an even 10 in right there. Hold on. Shit, I can't get an even 10. That last one right there, I tell you what. Oh, shit. I can't be embarrassed for the camera.
You better hurry up. This camera is fucking heavy. Pledge dialogue and shit. I'm like, come on, man, that is silent.
Oh,
Hey. Right there. None of this is on camera.
It's a couple. Yeah.
Right there. Right here. Right over my right here.
Oh man, this is man. Hey man, look, man. I don't know where these motherfuckers come from, but it's good to get chest day, goddamn it.
Motivated for you, man.
Yeah.
Keep you motivated.
It's good to get chest day, shit, man.
Keep you motivated.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna take my damn shirt off. Fuck it.
I'm about to hit this. One more time. I'm gonna hit 3.
All right.
1, 2.
Thank you, sir. You good?
Thank you.
All right, fuck it.
That's 10.
10. All right, I got about 5 in me. I don't know about 10, but we got 5. Hey yo, we got some fucking strippers in here. We got strippers, some OnlyFans hoes up in here. We got goddamn every type of bitch you can think of is in here. If you got an Asian fetish, you got it.
First of all,
Alright,
who the fuck counts down from 5?
Alright, 5,
3, 2, 1.
Yeah, I'm a
5, 4.
Nah, because
So
the
what
extra
is
2 seconds matters.
Nah, I just go 3.
Nah, the extra 2 seconds, I'll tell you, you gotta try it.
I'm like, what are you doing with this camera?
Yeah, this ain't regular ass shit.
I'm a YouTuber too. Technically.
Yeah.
Technically.
Yeah.
No, I'm a vlogger. That's what I'm a vlogger.
Yeah. It was this one song she put up video. I think maybe when I don't know what the fuck that was. It was some song.
Yeah.
That bass kicked in so goddamn hard. I commented. I said, goddamn, it was busting fucking speakers my car. She's like,
What video was it? What video? Fuck. Yeah, I'll try to see what video it was. Fuck.
He was driving a gold car. That shit came in so fucking hard.
Oh, it was probably was it words with it or no?
I don't remember anything. No, it wasn't a word. Listening to it on the way. I mean, looking at the videos on the way here. That shit almost busting my fucking shit. 70 now.
My shoulder's starting to goddamn lock up now. Damn. My poor goddamn shoulder. Yeah, that's a new bottle?
Never leave home without it.
That's a new bottle?
Yes.
You ran out that quick? Oh yeah, it was.
I was in the cycling room. All you saw was his feet. Watch my feet. His feet was like.
But that was fucking. No, yeah.
What is that?
I was actually right here because I was doing like. After
You're the only one running like that.
Yeah,
You know
running.
you're gonna be talking about him.
Frolicking around this bitch.
He was like full running.
Yeah.
I'm like,
You're
go
so
outside.
mean.
You know what frolicking is?
What that mean?
The shit that they do in the fucking fairy tales where they just be skipping
Oh,
through,
yeah, that's-
through the wheat and
And the
shit. That's what
fairy
he be
tale.
doing, yeah.
And the wheat.
You used to hear him in the sauna. Sauna area, out here.
God damn. He's different. Definitely different. Dead. I'm dead.
Like you're like the
Hey.
sodium right there.
The 87?
Yeah, 873.
The 873?
Yeah.
You gonna get the new one?
I want to sell this my other one down.
He wants to get the DJI
The 4G.
4D one. That big ass cinematic one. That's dope as fuck.
I want to get that one.
I mean, if you're going that way, get the red.
I thought about it, but
The red is the best. I used to
Yeah.
work in like post-production,
Yeah.
building the workstation. The red
yeah, because I was trying to get the red Komodo, but
the red, and you get a badass lens, you straight. You don't need anything else. You
Yeah.
don't have to be upgrading, bro.
not at all.
The red, and like
I
you get the
definitely-
red box. I mean, that alone is like what, 8-10 G's?
Yeah,
You get that, you just get a new lens every time.
that's it.
Straight.
Did you
You
see
good.
the DJI?
Oh,
You see the new DJI?
No, I haven't seen that
That
one.
shit's so damn dope, bro.
Like, if you're doing just like strictly videos, the red
The best. Yeah,
The red is like the best shit.
but it's like small as shit. But
Is it smaller than that?
It's
not. Oh, no, it's a little bigger. It's bigger than that.
It's like that size, the pure camera. Like,
Yeah,
but the
Probably was the one
format,
Mac was using.
the
one
format
Mac
is a
had.
square. It's like IMAX.
yeah.
It's like an IMAX.
That's
I'll look into it.
That's that big boy.
Yeah.
That's that big boy. All right, you too. That's the big boy. Fuck this shit. I'm on a budget. Shit. Hell yeah. I'm on a budget. Hey, get that straight out.
DJI.
Hell no.
You fucking upgrade later.
Yeah, I'm on a budget. Fuck that shit.
Somebody give you an advance check to film something.
Yeah. That's different. Goddamn ass. I ain't finna spend an
I'll
arm.
finish this shit.
Oh, yeah, I ain't finna
3.
spend, yeah. I stopped at 5. Shit.
It's not that 5.
Hell yeah, shit, man. Because I did like total like 40 of these. Shit, total. Nah, yeah, like almost 40.
If you ain't really with me, nigga, say that. If she fronted on me, then she could stay back. I'm Zariga in the end and we don't play that. Shut tatted on my head and I'ma stay there. I'm tryna put my mama in the Maybach. I'ma shit on every place I used to slave at. Got me out here really looking for some payback. Got me out here really looking for the payback. Yeah. Every song's free away. Cause that nigga paid the way. Niggas mimicking the city I was raised. All along without no homage getting paid. I mix the fruity pebbles with the hint though. Still up on that block, but also indoor. Ever since I got it poppin' like a pinball. Everybody tryna be a nigga friend, no. Circle tighter than the lifestyle. Family question in my lifestyle. Think my head is swelling cause I'm iced out. Ask me how I sleep, said what the lights out. Ask me how I sleep, said what the lights off. Tryna get in a position, can't take nights off. I can shower shit and sleep, won't take the ice off. Constant reminder just to never set my sights off. If you ain't really with me, nigga, say that. If she fronted on me, then she could stay back. I'm Zariga in the end and we don't play that. Surf tatted on my head and I'ma stay there. I'm tryna put my mama in the Maybach. I'ma shit on every place I used to slave at. Got me out here really